Hi, I'm Jeff, an application engineer from Raise3D. In today's video, we'll explore an application in the world of welding with the use of 3D printed jigs and fixtures to enhance the welding process. Welding is a vital process in industries like automotive, trade schools, education, manufacturing, oil and gas, and construction, which often requires precision and stability. That's where welding jigs and fixtures come into play. These essential tools keep your welding projects stable while allowing for precise maneuvering. Traditionally, metal jigs and fixtures have been used, but they come with a hefty price tag, ranging from $250 to $400 per jig or fixture, and can take weeks to arrive, slowing down production. Custom metal jigs and fixtures are even more time-consuming to produce. But here's the game changer: additive manufacturing. By selecting the right materials and printer, you can create jigs and fixtures that offer low cost, quick turnaround, easy customization, and be able to make changes even faster. When it comes to material selection, high heat resistance is crucial. That's where a fiber reinforced plastic like PPACF, a high temperature nylon carbon fiber, shines. It can provide the same heat resistance as metal at a fraction of the cost. To maximize the temperature resistance, the printed part should be dense and annealed. In this example, we've used 35% infill and annealed for 12 hours at 80°C. For larger welding applications that require bigger jigs and fixtures, you can adjust the infill to hold the weight or even print multiple interlocking parts to assemble a larger jig or fixture. Choosing the right 3D printer is just as important. For this application, we've chosen the Raise3D E2CF. The E2CF features silicon carbon nozzles for durability when printing with carbon fiber. Its auto bed leveling ensures high print quality, and the IDEX dual extrusion system allows you to print multiples of the same model simultaneously, cutting down turnaround time. Here are the key benefits of additive manufacturing for welding jigs and fixtures. Low cost. The total cost to print all 3 jigs was just $87.19. Quick turnaround time. The E2CF's IDEX dual extruders can print double the parts in the same amount of time. Easy customization. 3D printing allows you to modify designs to meet your specific manufacturing needs. So there you have it. Additive manufacturing is changing the game in welding, offering cost-effective, customizable, and efficient solutions. If you want to learn more about how Raise3D can elevate your applications or projects, be sure to follow us on our YouTube or visit our website at raise3d.com.